Good morning, Keller Williams. Welcome back to the Katy CommandMC 66-Day Challenge 2.0. Today is day 49, and we're going to cover how to add a private or hidden custom folder in an agent's opportunity today. Because sometimes you just need a place to park your documents that may not match up with your compliance checklist. Right, and so if you remember back to our how to split a PDF from day 46, that automatically created a custom folder. Let me show you today how to do this from scratch. So I'm in my opportunity here. I'm in the Documents tab, and I'm going to click Add New Custom Folder here. Right, and so every folder needs a name. So just for the fun of it, right, I got my hands on a technical readout from this droid, and so we're just going to stash them here. And so when you mark private here, you'll read this, documents within private folders. Agents cannot see that. Only market center personnel coming in through CommandMC opportunities are able to get to it. So I'm going to mark this as private, and I'm going to create a folder. All right. And so within here, I can add my document. So let me go ahead and pull this up. This is, I'd call this an inspection here. And I'm just going to drag and drop this over here. And then I'm going to click, once it's done uploading, this is a pretty good sized document here. Right. There we go, it just takes a second because I'm screen recording. So I'm going to click add, and now I can see this document in my folder here, right? And it just takes a little while. It's a full technical readout of everything they're doing here. So I got to make sure this gets in the right hands here. And so what I can also do is I can now jump in, if I need to one of my closing events here, right? And I can add a document if I need to, right? And so we're going to cover how to add a one-off document in a future one, but let's say I need to put this here. I can choose attach from custom folders, and we can grab those plans here. And now this is uploaded, and I can mark as approved here, right? Right, I can jump in and approve this document. Cool. And so that right there is how you add a custom private folder for you to upload documents that, just don't exactly line up, but, are probably going to be very useful for your market center team. And so that's it for today. Tomorrow, we're going to jump into how to sign and how to export documents while you're in CommandMC. Thank you, and have a great day.